To all, I hope you are fit and fine. Today our topic is five kingdom classification. Today we will discuss on what basis the five kingdoms are classified and who give this five kingdom classification and on what basis the animals are organized. Okay, so let's get started. So five kingdom classification is given by R.H. Whittaker, and these five kingdoms include: our first kingdom is Monera. Second kingdom is Protista. Third kingdom is Fungi. Then our fourth kingdom, Plantae. And at last but not the least, our fifth kingdom, Animalia. So these are the five kingdoms on which we will discuss today. Okay, let's understand and their classification on our next slide. So here we have different type of organisms. Let's classify them first on the basis of cell type. First of all, we classify organisms on the basis of cell type. So according to cell type, animals are classified into two groups: eukaryotes. On the basis of cell type, organisms are classified as prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So what are prokaryotes? Prokaryotes are those organisms which have primitive type of nuclear membrane. Here, pro means primitive and karyotes means karyon. Karyo word always describe the nucleus. So here they have no nuclear membrane, specified nuclear membrane. That's why we use the word prokaryotes for them. So these are primitive type of organisms having no nuclear membrane. And eukaryotes, here U signifying true. It means they have true nuclear membrane. This is the basic difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes have no nuclear envelope and the genetic material is split inside the cytoplasm as it is, and eukaryotes have a proper nuclear membrane for the genetic material. Okay, so these are the basic difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Again, we classify organisms. Now we again classify eukaryotes on the basis of number of cells. Number of cells. First of all, on the basis of number of cells, organisms are unicellular and multicellular. You can understand it like this, that prokaryotes are always unicellular. So there is no differentiation in that. Prokaryotes are always unicellular, and the kingdom which contain prokaryotes as well as unicellular organisms is our first kingdom, Monera. And here eukaryotes are subdivided into two types on the basis of number of cells as unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular organisms with eukaryotes are known as Protista. So it is our second kingdom, Protista, which contain eukaryotes organism and unicellular organisms. And prokaryotes and unicellular come under Monera, and eukaryotes and unicellular come under Protista. Now move on to next, which is our multicellular organism. Multicellular organisms are subdivided. Now for multicellular organism, we subdivide multicellular organisms on the basis of cell wall. In the differentiation with cell wall, we have some organisms with cell wall and some organisms without cell wall. So some organisms with no cell wall and some with cell wall. So who are multicellular and without cell wall comes under Animalia. And those which have cell wall and multicellular are again subdivided. They are again subdivided into two types as fungi and Plantae. So these are basically divided. On what basis fungi and Plantae are differentiated? They are differentiated on the basis of type of cell wall. For example, fungi have chitin, cell wall made up of chitin, and plantae have cell wall made up of cellulose. So on this basis, these both are divided. So here are our 5 kingdoms. First kingdom Monera, second kingdom Protista, third kingdom Animalia, fourth kingdom Fungi, fifth kingdom Plantae. So on another slide, we will do a clear-cut differentiation so that you can understand all these kingdoms very well. Okay, let's get started. So here we understand it clearly. Okay, Monera. Monera kingdom is eukaryote? No. So let's make it across. It is a prokaryote. It has no cell wall. Unicellular, yes. Multicellular, no. Now next is Protista. Protista is eukaryote, yes. Prokaryote, no. Cell wall. Unicellular, yes, it is unicellular, not multicellular. Next is fungi. Fungi is eukaryote, yes. Animalia is eukaryote. Plantae is eukaryote. Fungi is prokaryote, no. Cell wall, yes. Unicellular, no. Fungi are multicellular. Material, it is made up of chitin. So here we write as chitin. Next is Animalia. Animalia is not prokaryote. It don't have cell wall. It is not unicellular. It is multicellular. And there is no cell wall. Next is Plantae. Plantae is not prokaryote. It has cell wall. It is not unicellular. It is multicellular. Now material. It is cellulose. The material here refers to the material of cell wall. Of what material the cell wall is made up. Okay, so here we get a clear-cut differentiation between all the 5 kingdoms. So you can take a screenshot of this particular chart so that you can understand it well and very easily. Thank you all of you. This is all about our today's topic, 5 kingdom classification. I hope you understand it well. Thank you so much.